DirectFix.com presents
the Verizon iPhone 4 back cover replacement. Be sure to check us out on the web at DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order. Begin by using your 5-point pentalobe screwdriver, part code IP-2466, to remove the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of the unit. With the screws removed, you simply push up on the back of the cover and it will pop out of place. And you can easily lift it off the unit. Please be sure to check our website, DirectFix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.